So first off, we'll start off with the box. You have on the front here, you have Sena 20S Evo Sena down the bottom there, and then you have riders connected and also the Bluetooth logo. On the side of the box you have Advancing Adventure. On the top of the box you have a few different countries, the app and everything they have, and also a QR code, and you can also get it at Google Play as well. On the other side, some codes, some boring stuff. On the bottom, 20S Evo. On the back you have 20S Evo. You have Bluetooth. It is Bluetooth V4, Bluetooth from up to 2 kilometers, 1.2 miles, 8-way intercom, group intercom, universal intercom, audio multitasking, music sharing, voice command, advanced noise control, easy operation, versatile jog dial, smartphone app for iPhone and Android, can be used while charging on road trips, water resistant for use in inclement weather, built-in FM radio tuner with station scan and save function, firmware upgradable, and optional center remote control support not included. On the back here you have a few things that it comes with, and let's get into that now. So I'll start off by using my trusty dusty knife. Slice straight across like so. And I do apologise for my hands. I have been working on the bike. I've been doing some chain work, so my hands are filthy. I've scrubbed them the best I can, but they still look a bit dirty, so some people comment on that. First to open the box, you just slide to the left or the right. There's nothing in there, set that aside. You then are faced with the other box, so you have 20S Evo motorcycle communication system on the front. This opens by opening at the base here. Folds back really nice. That looks really cool. It's got some writing on the top there. Move this out the way, a bit of foam. Everything is laid out really neat and everything for you. You have the actual unit here, which feels really light. That is super light. I was surprised on how light that is. You got your jog dial there, center button. I don't know if it's got any charge in it or whether or not I have to charge it. I'll set that aside. Underneath here you have the clamp for your helmet. So 2 Allen keys there. They look like 3mm Allen keys, maybe even smaller, which have the speakers connecting to them, which go inside your helmet. One wire is longer than the other, supposedly, from what I've heard. It's for the right hand side and the left hand side. And then you have the boom mic attached as well. You can change that out. We will we'll set all this aside. Underneath here we pull back this, and you have a quick start guide and some instruction manual. Set that aside. You also have a bag of goodies. Looks like a couple more interchangeable mics. You have some windsocks or covers for the mics. You have adhesive mounts, your Allen key, some spacers for the speakers it looks like, some more 3M tape, another mic. Set that aside. I set all that aside. No more under there. Pull back the other one, and you have, there's nothing else in there. You have a charging cable, which is a right angle, and it looks like a USB-C or micro USB. Set that aside. And you've also got a charging cable to a cigarette lighter adapter, so you can charge it in your car, or if you've installed one on your bike, you'll be able to charge that while you've pulled up on the side of the road after a ride, and that's also down to micro USB. Looking at the unit here, it is actually really small. This is obviously the Evo, so the Evo has the antenna integrated. The previous model, the 20S, would just flip up like so. So this is like the younger, sexier sister of the 20S. And I went the Evo because I actually liked the shark fin integration and I thought it was really cool. And it wasn't something that was going to break off, but I'm keen to actually try it out.